Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to settings, search menu and type settings. Open it and go to display option over here and scroll down guys. Here related settings, here graphics, you need to click on it. You can locate it and I show you guys how to do that. For example, I'm showing in camera and click on it and go to power option. Here is option guys, let Windows decide power saving high performance, don't use optimizations for Windows games, whatever you want it, select it guys. For games I recommend to do high performance and click save guys. High performance is not recommended for this camera, but your games are good at high performance. You can play games with high performance guys. That's it guys. You can browse also in here. Click on browse and you having desktop games, having the desktop in games, you just click on it and click add. After that here will be added guys, and you can go ahead and go to option, and here is the option graphics performance. You select high performance and save it. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.